Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish, most wearing, most demanding, famous designing ideas for your sweet babies, baby crochet frog designs. New designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts. So friends, how are you? I am fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful baby crochet frog designs. Stylish designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Those ladies who love such type of crocheted baby frogs, your babies can wear when you go in the birthday party, wedding party, with matching cap designs, matching boot designs, sandal designs. Beautiful designing ideas for your sweet babies you can see in this my video. Stylish color combination contrasts, knitted patterns, easy to make, easy to wash, beautiful and trendy baby crochet frog designs, stylish frocks for your sweet babies you can see in this my video. Please friends, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. Give the feedback in the hammer section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy baby crochet frog design? Latest fashion ideas for your sweet babies you can see in this my video. If you want to buy this very beautiful baby crochet frog design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eviva.com, etsy.com and Amazon. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.